Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video from my mini bookcase swap I did with Tiffany McGill, also known as Craftin' Like a Boss here on YouTube. This was actually a part of her Facebook group. I will put a link down in the description box to that. So let's see what she sent me. I have not even opened this box yet. I just got it out of the mailbox yesterday, and then I just had a busy day yesterday, so I was not able to open it. So we will see now. Oh, she did such a great job wrapping this. Okay. Oh my gosh, this looks like an amazing box. Oh my god, she's amazing. Oh my gosh. This is the second swap I have done in this group, and I just feel so insufficient. You guys make amazing, amazing things, okay? Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Cute little notepad. Oh. Chocolate. I love chocolate. It is chocolate. That is so cute. Sparkle glue. That is so cool. Handmade sparkle glue. That is amazing. Oh, I like those. Cute little ferns. She made another mini little book. She is just so awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is too cute. With another little box inside of it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. With some adhesive tape. Oh my. That is so cool. Oh, a sequin mix. Did she make this? Look at this. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Alright, and now to the main part of our swap. So we did a mini bookcase. If you guys have not seen these all over Instagram and YouTube now, it was started by, I want to say Inspired to Design. I'm not 100% sure. I will have to put it down in the description box, but I know that it was made super duper popular by Tony, that's Craft Purge here on YouTube. She did a tutorial video and this just kind of blew up. So now everybody has been doing these mini bookcases. All right, let me move this box that I just love. Oh my god, this box is just so amazing. Look at this, guys. Oh, the paper she used is so freaking pretty. Okay. It's like this. It's basically kind of like what I did. I love it. Oh my gosh. This is what I need to get better at. I need to get better at doing like charm tassels. They're not something I make very often. So like my books just have charms hanging from them. But oh my god, this is too cute. So it says, some people look for a beautiful place, others make a beautiful place. Oh, that's so true. Oh, she quilled some flowers. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. See, there's some goodies in the front. Ooh, some bling. I actually need some more of this bling because I just used up a bunch of my flat back pearls. Oh, so cute. Thank you. I love that she did gold paper in her books. I think that's so cute. I did mine white, and then like after I finished, I felt like I should have done more to it. And she put a closure on all of her books. See, I feel like I'm just so behind on things. Oh. Look at all the bows. Oh, thank you. I could always use bows. Oh, daydream because the soul needs to fly. That is so cute. I love this paper. I like anything kind of vintagey. Oh, this was a cute idea. Ooh, I like how she did that. All right. Oh, look at these tassels. Oh, it's full of tassels and quilled flowers. They're so pretty. Oh, thank you so much. Oops, why did I put that on that side? It's because that book's over there confusing me. There we go. Go back inside there. Oh, there's so many cute ways to close your books. So this one says popular, swan down, very vintage. Be what you want to be. Look at this tassel. So cute. Mini rosettes. Oh my god, I love mini rosettes. I have a mini rosette tutorial on my channel that happens to be like probably one of my more popular videos because I really thoroughly enjoy making mini rosettes. And these ones are just gorgeous. I love the way she layered them. This gold paper is just amazing. Thank you so much. Oh. And then the last one says, this beautiful life. Some of the flowers she put on the front. These are so cute. I need to, oh, I think this is just is this just a scallop punch? Oh my goodness, I have a scallop punch. Oh, this is too cute. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. Ooh, I don't have a little scallop punch though, so this is awesome. Thank you so much, Tiffany. Oh my goodness. This was so cute. Thank you so much. I'm definitely looking forward to the next swap that your group hosts because it's just, they're so fun. You guys all make amazing things and you have given me so many ideas on things that I need to do for my swaps and things I need to add to my swaps. So thank you all so much. Thank you again, Tiffany. This is absolutely amazing. Have a great rest of your day, everyone. And if you have not already, please like my videos, hit the little bell symbol to know when I am posting, and please subscribe to my channel. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.